In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wheel speed sensors on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. Remove the wheel, use a 21mm socket. Remove the wheel. And the connector is towards the center of the vehicle. You can pull that off the retainer or pop it out with a trim tool. Just get underneath. Disconnect the connector. There's a little tab right here. Just push down. Slide that off. Up a little higher, there's a retainer. Just use a trim tool, get under there, pop that out. Take the grommet out of the bracket, just slide that out. And we have another bracket over here. Just roll that out of the grommet, out of the bracket. Pull those out. And one more bracket, just pull that grommet out. And we're gonna loosen up the bolt right here. Use a 10mm socket. Pull the bolt out and grab the sensor, wiggle it back and forth, and you can pull it out. If you're struggling with it, you can use some pliers, try to grab onto it, pull it out that way, and there's the sensor. And take the new sensor, slide that in position, get it lined up. And take the bolt. Get that started. And snug that down. Now you can run the wire. Slide the grommets into the brackets. There's a bracket right here. Just slip that in. There. Another bracket up here. And connect the connector. Oops, it's gonna go this way. There's another retainer that goes up a little higher. Push that in place. And you can slide the connector onto the retainer. Put the wheel back on. Get that lined up. Put the lug nuts on. Snug that on. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.